What's up, guys? Clay here at Mallard Motors. Got a new truck on the lot I'm pretty excited about, so I'm going to show you some details on it real quick. Before I get started, don't forget about our $100 credit challenge. That's where we'll give you $100 cash money if we're unable to give you a credit approval. So let's take a look at this 2015 model Chevy Silverado High Country Edition. The High Country package is fully loaded, so it's got a lot of extras on it. Beautiful black color. Got the chrome plated front grille, blacked out Chevy emblem, HID headlights, got fog lights as well, and tow hooks on the front end. This has the 5.3 liter V8 and it is 4-wheel drive. Windows are already tinted pretty dark for you. You've got chrome door handles, chrome trim under the windows on the side of the body, and you got some chrome on the back side of the mirrors. Speaking of chrome, you've got some big 22-inch chrome plated wheels. They look awesome. Got fixed running boards on both sides. I'll give you a close-up of that High Country emblem. Full-size 4-door crew cab, and it's got the short bed on it. It's got the step side back bumper, color matched, so it's black. You also got parking sensors on the back bumper, as well as a towing package and a backup camera system. You've got a spray-in bed liner, still in awesome shape, looks like. Not a scratch on it. It does have keyless entry and remote start. You can kill it with the remote also. You've got brown leather interior in great shape. Looks almost brand new. You got the two-tone on the door and the rest of the interior as well. You got custom fit heavy-duty floor mats from the factory. They're Chevy branded. You've got blinkers in your side mirrors there. You've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. You've also got power fold, so you just push this button right here and they will fold in and fold back out. You've also got programmable seat memory for the driver, so you can save your settings how you like them. You've got a Bose premium audio sound system. Both seats in the front are fully power adjustable. You've also got the custom High Country embroidery on the backs or on the fronts of the headrest. Got a sunroof as well. Again, up here you've got the custom fit heavy duty Chevy floor mats. We've only got 99,000 miles on the dash. Got cruise control on the steering wheel, as well as controls for the radio and hands-free. Over here is your little electronic differential switch. Also got your headlight controls. You've got a nice big touchscreen media center. It's got built-in navigation. It's also got a backup camera system. You can hook your phone up via Bluetooth for music, hands-free calling. You've also got a CD player and auxiliary input. You got dual climate control. You've got heated and cooled seats in the front too. I'm going to turn my cool on right now. I mean, you've got lots of power outlets up here. Bucket style seats going on. Got a lot of wood grain throughout. It's a real pretty truck. Oh, and you've got a power sliding back glass as well. hope I'm not missing any features on it. Alright, I don't expect this one to last very long, so if you're interested or you just got some questions for me, please give me a call. You can reach me at 870-639-9200.